In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Alibaba.com on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, before I do it, first I'll uninstall the app before I show you the process. Now for this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it through Google Play Store here and then tap on it to open. From here, log in with your Gmail account or Apple ID if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I've logged in here with my Gmail. Go to search here. So I'll search Alibaba just like that. And if I run the search now, we have our Alibaba.com app. Tap on it to see details about the app. To know that you have the right app, make sure it is from Alibaba Mobile. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.2 with over 2 million reviews. And you can see it is widely used. This app currently has over 500 million downloads. That's huge. And this data might have changed by the time you are watching this. And the current file size is averagely 52 MBs. If you see all this information, you will know that you have the right app. And look at that, that is the current logo for this app. Now to get this app on your smartphone, just tap on install. And this will download the latest version of Alibaba.com app and then install it on your smartphone. Now once the app is installed, you can open it directly from here, or if we go to our apps, now you can see our app is here. Tap on it to open, and this is the welcoming interface. If you see this, then you will know that you are on the right app. Proceed by creating an account, or if you already have an account, you can log in with your Gmail account, or you can as well use your email. So that's how you can install the right Alibaba.com app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.